Well, we are testing out the Rain-X. This is the original yellow bottle. We're going about 35, 40 miles per hour. No windshield wipers. And as you can see, the rain is beating up and it's moving from off of the windshield. Let's see what it look like with the windshield wipers on low. Let's go to medium. Let's go to high windshield wipers. And we're back to no windshield wipers. Rain-X. The original Rain-X in the yellow bottle. These are the results. Once again, we're going about 30, 35, 40 miles per hour. Yeah, when it's raining outside, I slow it on down, which is exactly what you're supposed to do. You had to move over from that little puddle on the side right there, not trying to hydroplane. Even though we got them good old Continental Extreme Contact tires. Haven't had no issue out of them tires. They hold the road good, wet, rain, and snow. But this is the Rain-X right here, though. I just wanted to show it to y'all.